Hey everybody, this is Ben again. This is my second video in my networked learning project series, and I am attempting to learn the electric guitar using nothing but YouTube and help forums. It's an assignment for a course, an online course that I'm teaching, and I thought, what the heck, I'm going to put my money where my mouth is. If my students have to do it, I have to do it. In the first video, my son helped me. In this one, my daughter's going to help me. She's not on camera right now. Sometimes she gets a little shy, so she might come over. She might not. I have no idea. All right, just as a reminder, I am recording this audio using a nice microphone, which means all of the horrible sounds you're going to hear are not the microphone's fault. It's my lousy guitar playing. So there we go. My daughter, I believe, is going to be helping me out today. I don't know. Are you going to help me out?
Yeah.
Okay, so my son was in the first video, and she's here in this video. So that's cool. You want to turn on my amp for me?
How do I do that?
It's the last button right there. Yep, twist it to on. Let's see if that works now. Does that sound good? All right. So in the first video, I learned to tune the guitar to itself. Yeah, that sounds terrible, but hey, that's all right. It sounds good enough for me. I went ahead and I found a different guitar series on YouTube. The other one was nice, but I just found this this gentleman to be a little bit more laid back, sort of my style, from mahalo.com. This is Guitar Strumming 101. Now, this is lesson 13 of 19, because I thought to myself, you know what? Before I actually get into chords and everything, I want to go ahead and learn how to strum. And you wanted to learn how to strum too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I thought that would help. I do know one chord, and I don't even remember what the chord's called anymore. There we go. I think is that a G?
I don't know.
No, no. Okay. Let's call it a G. And if it's not a G, it's not a G. Whatever. But I do know that chord, and I figured out the whole strumming thing of this pendulum swinging. And obviously, I'm not supposed to do that. But anyways, there were a few patterns. What was the first pattern?
Down, down, up, up, down.
Down, down, up, up. No, that was the last pattern. The first pattern was down, down, up, down. I think that's what it was, right?
Down, down, up, down.
So as you can see, I am just learning the strumming, and I still have a lot of issues to work out, like the constant pressure, making sure the up and the down strokes sound the same. But the pattern I really liked from this one was the down, down, up, up, down. Right? Yeah, that one was really cool. So let's see. It went like something like this. And the one thing that this gentleman pointed out in the video was that, you got to keep that arm going, that pendulum going. Treat it like a pendulum and keep it going, not just a ring and then let it sit there. You got to keep that kind of going up and down. So I've been really working on that. So that's kind of fun. I thought I'd go ahead and practice this. Like last time, I'm going to speed it up a little bit because you really don't want to hear me play this much bad guitar for any length of time. So I'm going to go ahead and practice right now. My daughter's going to help me a little bit. So here we go. And there we go. That's strumming. So my fingers, this is nothing. My fingers don't really actually hurt yet. They're a little dented from the strings. So I think that's maybe I'll need to go back to some of the previous lessons and work on just some simple stuff for my finger, how much pressure I'm putting on my fingers, because obviously that's not good. I don't think your fingers are supposed to do that. But they're not to the point where they hurt yet. And there's one thing I do know, and that is if your fingers don't hurt yet, you haven't been practicing long enough. So I'm going to stop the video, but I'm going to keep practicing here a little bit before dinner. So thanks, and thanks for playing guitar with me.
You're welcome.